Firstly, assemble the cold and hot facial steamer. Fill in the water tank with right amount of water. Make it below the max line. Then pour water in through cold steamer inlet as well. Also below the max line. But note here, use drinkable water for its use on your face. Connect with power supply. Start facial and neck cleansing. Wet cotton pads with blackhead export liquid and apply on T-zone. Then press down on hot and light buttons. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes for the water to boil in the water tank. When it reaches a certain temperature, hot steamer will start to spray hot steam. Aim the steamer at the customer's face but keep a distance to avoid overheat or trouble breathing. Adjust the distance based on the customer's feedback. It's advised to be at least 30 to 50 centimeters away. Treat with hot steam for 8 to 10 minutes, then turn off the device. The alarm will go off when water runs out. Then go to the next skincare item. Start skin cleansing treatment. Wash face clean. Apply base mask and turn on the cold steamer. You can twist the knob to turn on the cold steamer. Keep a distance of 30 to 50 centimeters and wait for 5 to 8 minutes. The white knob can be turned clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the output volume of the mist. Twist counterclockwise to reduce the mist output and clockwise to increase the volume. Bigger volume brings a more comfortable experience and better results. Turn off the device. Check if the water inside the water tank is dirty or muddy after cold and hot steam treatment. It may appear to be dirty when not used in a while or when dirt got in. Empty the water tank and rinse it clean. Remove the base mask and wash face clean. Carry on with one's own skincare routine.